Guys, pakinggan nyo ito. Ito ay pinalabas noong September 13 at ito ang kanyang sabi. Pakinggan nyo.
So from now on, moving forward, the Philippines should watch out because I heard people crying. I heard people crying in the Philippines. And when I heard people crying in the Philippines, I looked to see what is making them cry. And I saw mothers holding children in their hand. And they were dead. And I saw other people laying down, they were dead. And then when I looked to what made them dead, I saw a strong earthquake that hit the Philippines. I saw a strong earthquake that hit the Philippines. And then I saw a water disaster in the nation of the Philippines. So we need to pray for the Philippines. Watch especially this September. Before this September ending, and October and November, these 3 months, the Philippines should be watching out for this thing I just mentioned. The Philippines, watch out for what? Watch out for strange death through disaster. And the disaster that I saw is earthquake.
Guys, hanggang November pa daw ang mga dilubyo na darating sa Pilipinas. Ay, grabe, nakakatakot. Grabe, sinong lalaki ito?